How to fix Twitter or X app not loading images. So if you want to fix Twitter or X app not loading images, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After having the internet connection, it might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for Twitter or X, and then you will have an update. You need to update your application. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just open up your Twitter application or your X application. Go with the profile which is on the top left, and from the profile you need to go with settings and support. Tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to go with accessibility, display and languages. Here you will have data usage, so you need to go with the data usage, and you will have data saver. So you need to go with the data saver and make sure that it is not turned on. If it is turned on, you need to go and turn off your data saver. After turning off, it might fix your problem. And under your high quality images, make sure that you've selected mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure that it is not set to never. Go with the first option, mobile data and Wi-Fi, and then under video, you can go with mobile data and Wi-Fi, and in this way, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix Twitter or X app not loading images. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.